Hello everyone, this is one of my PlayStation 2 consoles. There are different versions and this one is 70,000. I've got it some time ago and I didn't clean it yet, so it's time to give it some fresh air. The console is fully working, I've tested it, but it's dirty and it has the very known problem with the eject button. So in this video I'll also fix the eject button issue. For disassembling the console I have to remove the warranty sticker. There are 6 plastic caps covering 6 Phillips screws, so I'll have to remove all of them, and also the sticker because under that lays one plastic cap. Removing the sticker I lose the warranty, but it's not like anyone still offers warranty for such an old console. With a small Phillips screwdriver, I start by removing all 6 screws. Opening the console is pretty easy comparing with other models. That's how the console looks inside. If your console looks different, that's because there are at least 3 different versions of PS2 Slim. I have some other models and I plan to clean them in the future, but in this video I'll stick to this version. Before removing the cooler fan, I firstly have to unplug it from the motherboard. There are 3 Phillips screws holding the cooler fan. I use the same screwdriver used for opening the console. The console itself didn't have that much dust inside, but the cooler fan indeed needs to be cleaned. It's not necessarily to unplug on and off buttons, but I do it for a better cleaning. I'm using a soft brush, so I won't do any damage. With the vacuum cleaner, I try to remove the dust where I don't have access. A complete teardown is not necessarily for such cleaning. The vacuum cleaner will do the job. Now with a toothpick, I gently remove all the dust inside the cooler fan. With a cotton wool pad, I start cleaning the top cover. I could wash it, but I don't find it better than this method. Once cleaned enough, I can focus on fixing the eject button. Under the top cover there's a steel spring which manages the eject button. I remove it so I can clean the area. The eject button works perfectly. Now I can put everything back and I'll start with the cooler. After the screws, I can plug it to the motherboard. I put the on and off board in its place, then the top cover. Now I put the plastic caps for the screws and the PS2 Slim is once more young and beautiful. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.